decided to wake up. You've been quite elusive, but your skills make it worth the catch. You'll be perfect for the job. We've been having some issues with a group of thieves known as the Top Hat Clan. We know they're guilty, we just can't pin them to any crimes. You'll be going into the airship to bring them down. I don't need to remind you that we've got you on several charges. Attempted robbery, breaking yourself out of prison, even stealing a Tunisian diamond. We've got quite a lot of counts on you. Do this job right, and we'll drop all charges against you. Charlie here will be bringing you close to the airship. The rest is up to you. Find a way to bring him down, and you'll be a free man. Hey, they want me to bring you in.
Over there?
Nah, man, I didn't hear nothing.
Check. This is Charles. Thought I'd give you a heads up. There's a guy down there, a bad guy. So, yeah. Good luck. Hey, good job there.
Yeah. Right, so if we go up to 3 caliber... Hey, you there. What do you think you're doing? Smith, right? What are you doing here, mate? Your wife's just gone into labor. Take that escape pod behind you. It'll take you right to the hospital. Go ahead. Don't worry. I'll tell the chief. How much solid gold cannon have you? Dude, we totally got enough power. What do you think, man? Well, I'm still kind of new here, so I'm not really sure what to say. Door's jammed again.
Oh, hey, you see that record sign? Where it says records? That'd probably be a good place to look, right? Let me just, help you get across that gap.
Huh?
Okay, let me just, teleport this thing in here for you. Alright, here I come. Da 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 da.